Hi, this is Kristen from Thermomix head office. I'm one of the recipe developers here, and I'm here today with beautiful Anne, and she's here to talk to us about her chicken roulade alla Italiana. Can you tell me a little bit about this recipe?
Hi Kristen, yes, this recipe came about many years ago. I was doing the meatloaf and I thought, how can I zhuzh this up a little bit? So I decided to change it to chicken, and I proceeded from there to develop this recipe.
And what I love about this recipe, when Anne and I were testing it in the kitchen a little while ago, was that it's just so versatile. You can just substitute the filling for whatever you've got in the pantry. You can substitute the tapenade for a pesto. I mean, that's what I think is fantastic about it.
That's correct. Chris, you can put anything in it and it'll still make a wonderful dish.
Perfect. Shall we get started? We're going to show you today how to go about assembling this dish.
So there's the chicken roulade in the Varoma. It's ready for steaming, so there we go.
And so today we're obviously going to steam it over water, but I'm sure that you can steam it over other things.
Definitely, you can steam it over the red sauce or the mushroom sauce that's in the same recipe as the meatloaf, or you can steam it over your favourite soup.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
That's a brilliant idea. And so I'm assuming, obviously, if you've got your soup, then you've got your main, you're sort of done, dinner's done.
Exactly, so you can feed the army that way.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much for joining us today and showing us how to assemble your roulade. I can't wait to eat it. And for anyone else, if you would like to get this amazing recipe, it's in our Thermomix cookbook called Creating Something Incredible, and you can purchase that on the Mix shop. So thank you, Anne. Really appreciated you coming in today.
It's a pleasure, Kristen. Thank you very much.